Ever notice how some houses make you stop and stare before you even reach the front door? The secret usually isn't a mansion or an expensive renovation. It's the front yard. Imagine walking up a pathway framed by colorful flowers, lush green shrubs, soft landscape lighting, and a perfectly trimmed lawn. Suddenly, the entire home feels more welcoming and more valuable. But here's what surprises most homeowners. You don't need to spend tens of thousands of dollars to create this look. Start by defining a clear walkway using natural stone or modern pavers. Add layered plants by mixing low flowers, medium-sized shrubs, and one striking focal tree to create depth and texture all year round. Next, install warm LED landscape lights. At night, your home transforms into something that looks straight out of a luxury magazine while improving safety at the same time. Replace overgrown bushes with clean, organized garden beds covered in fresh mulch. Add decorative edging for a polished finish and place matching planters near the entrance to instantly boost curb appeal. Want an even bigger upgrade? Paint the front door a bold color, update the house numbers, and install modern outdoor lighting fixtures. These simple changes create a dramatic first impression. The best part? Studies consistently show that attractive landscaping can increase perceived home value and make a property more appealing to buyers. Your front yard isn't just a lawn, it's the first chapter of your home's story. Which front yard style would you choose? Modern minimalist, classic cottage, tropical paradise, or luxury estate? Let everyone know in the comments and follow for more incredible landscaping inspiration.